Okay, then let's do the unboxing of probably the biggest product box Elgato ever made. And I'm happy to be corrected here. The Embrace Chair.
Now let's watch him open that big box.
Okay, so the instructions, I mean, this is funny. They are awesomely huge. That's pretty cool. So let's put them right there.
What else is in there?
The base, and that's pretty nice. So everything is neatly packed.
That box is packed very well and tight.
And one thing that I do really like, that this is not paper, but this is sort of like a textile material, so it's cotton or something. Actually quite nice. The back rest, nice. We will plant ourselves, and this is really, really heavy. Like, pulling it with me. So yeah, the base, and I'd say this has a few kilos. Well, unfortunately, the packaging here got a little bit of a hole, but I don't think this is doing anything. So maybe I can show this in the camera here real quick. Tiny little hole, not that big of a deal. Same on the other side. That looks comfy. I already see where the backrest is going. So when you set it up, the backrest will go here and here. One thing that's probably worth mentioning, that part down here had solid metal.
What do we have here?
So this is the first time setting up that chair for me. So, wheels.
I want to see the wheel.
Standard wheels, nothing fancy. Surprisingly, this is quite light. Ooh, this is what's going to make this even more comfy. The headrest, and very cool, on the back you've got the Elgato logo. Nice one. I really do like that. So, box is empty, everything's unpacked except this one, the bouncy part.
Is it build time now?
So, we can probably follow these instructions to the letter, so let's do that. First things we need to do is pop in the wheels. But some things to be said, you can pull them out quite easily as well. So if you want to upgrade those with other compatible wheels, you can probably do that. Then this one has to go in. Looks good. That big boy. Whew. We have to, okay. Awesome. So what's next on the agenda? Now that we popped this one on, let's put on the backrest. This does need a little bit of force. Here it did go in smoothly, but you need to push as well. This one over here, not so smooth. Make sure to empty every single package here. 4 beautiful screws. And where do they go? Maybe that will sort out the hammer thing. Because I need to screw this in, and probably that will then tighten itself. Nice big one. We are in 10 minutes now, and I would say for unboxing and unpackaging everything and showing it to everyone, this is quite decent. One thing to mention, and I mean, tiny minor complaint, there's some sort of Loctite on here, so you can see that, but it's only on one side of the screw. It would be cool if it would be all around. And you can adjust the headrest. Nice! And now we have 2 more screws that need to go somewhere. Oh no! These are spares. So I unpacked those for nothing. But they are all in the same box. So maybe we can put the spares in a different box, so if I by accident throw something away, that'd be cool. But then on the other end, here we have the new Elgato Embrace Chair.
Great job. This is a cool chair.